Ramadan, also pronounced as Ramzan or Ramazan in India, is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar and a sacred time of fasting, prayer, reflection, and community. Ramadan is regarded as one of the 5 pillars of Islam and lasts 29 to 30 days, from one sighting of the crescent moon to the next. During the daily fast from dawn until dusk, Muslims refrain from eating, drinking, smoking, or engaging in any sexual activity.
ये रोज़ा हमारा सब चीज़ का रोज़ा होता है। ये इसमें ज़बान का रोज़ा है, इसमें कान का रोज़ा है, इसके अंदर हमारा चलने फिरने के लिए इसका ये रोज़ा है। ये रोज़ा खाली भूख का नहीं है, ये रोज़ा हमारा सबका है। ये मुबारक महीना है हमारा और इस महीने के अंदर हम रोज़े रखते हैं, 30 रोज़े रखते हैं, 30 रोज़े और उसके बाद जो है वो Eid-ul-Fitr आती है जो इसका शुक्रियाना अदा करते हैं।
The practice of fasting serves several spiritual and social purposes. To remind you of your human fragility and your dependence on God for sustenance, to show you what it feels like to be hungry and thirsty so you feel compassion for the poor and needy, and to reduce the distractions in life so you can more clearly focus on your relationship with God. It is also meant to be a time of spiritual discipline, contemplating one's relationship with God, practicing self-restraint, performing community service, and intensely studying the Quran. At the end of Ramadan, there is a 3-day celebration called Eid-ul-Fitr, or the festival of the breaking of the fast. Family and friends gather for a feast, rejoice with their loved ones, exchange gifts, pray, celebrate, and show gratitude to the Supreme for providing strength throughout the month of Ramadan.